Hey friends, Keith from Moore's Camp and Adventure. Today I'm going to be going over a review and how I installed our Lippert step stabilizer. Hey friends, Keith from Moore's Camp and Adventures here today. Now normally you can either have regular steps like these or you can have solid steps. The problem with steps like these is they move around a lot, as you can see. So the expensive route would be to get true solid steps that fold out. The problem is they take up a lot of door space, and they're also about $300, $400, $500 depending on you go with 2-step, 3-step, and the way the cost of materials is right now. So looking for different options after going to some camping shows, seeing different setups and really liking the aspect of the solid steps, what we ended up finding was the Lippert solid stance step. So I'm going to show you how this works real quick here. Pull out the pins, set this down, forget where you're going to go, and then you adjust the pins to the height you need. The good thing is they actually completely adjust for any type of unevenness, and then once they're on there, these aren't going anywhere. And then just as easy, pull the step up, pull the pins, lock in the travel position, and you fold them away. Super easy, super stable, and very easy to install. Okay, what we have is Lippert solid stance steps. They're actually really easy to install. Underneath these legs, you can see screw there and there, and that's the same on the other side, there and there. And on the top side, you just have these 4 Allen head screws that it comes with. So what you're going to do is when you have it like and fold it up, you're going to want to even it out left to right. Mark your 4 holes, drill them with I believe it's a 3/16 drill bit. If it's wrong, I'll update it below, but it should be a 3/16 drill bit. You bolt them on and then you're all set. Takes all of less than 10 minutes to actually install. Okay, so to actually use these, all you got to do is you're going to pull these pins right here when they're out of their travel position, which is the middle position, and you would fold these legs down and then take your pin and lock it in. Now there's actually 3 different holes here and there's 3 different holes here, so you can lock that in there, lock that in there, or lock that in there, depending on how much height or less height you need. And then also, if you pull on the back side here, there's a pin on each side, and you can adjust the length out as far as you need or as little as you need. And then when you're done, just put it back into the travel mode, take your pins and fold it up, and it goes right away. Take it out, same thing. Hopefully you can see this, but what you do is take it here, full setup, pull your pins, let them hang. You're going to let this come down, figure out roughly what height these are going to go at, take your pin, see which hole lines up, stick it in, and then for these you pull this pin and adjust your height on each side, and then you're good to go, like that. Or if you have, say, this one is a little bit more uneven, so it can actually hit the ground like this. And then you can take this, extend this out to where you need it. And again, nice and solid. So even if the ground was uneven, like, to say the ground was like this, you had a higher spot here, now you'd still be nice and stable, but it has full adjustability, just like the legs on a solid step would, except these are a lot less. Again, you just fold these up, put it into your travel mode, and they're gone. Super easy, super easy install. Super easy setup, super easy put away. 4 screws, you get the solid step feel that you want without having to pay the $300 to $500 that they go for. These you can have for under 50 bucks. I'll have a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. See these pins on the back side here, which can extend, come all the way out, and retract to adjust the height. And you also have 3 different height adjustments. You can go here, put the pin in, here, put the pin in, here, put the pin in, or of course travel is all the way up. Put the pin in, and that's the travel position. But you also have, like I was saying, you can go here, which will give you a little bit, a little more, and a little more. And what they say is with this in the lowest position here, like so, and the foot all the way extended, you're going to get about 14 inches of travel, which with our steps should be way more than enough for any terrain you end up on.